It's good to be with you. Welcome to Class Outside. Today we're going to learn how to create a grid zoom effect in Blender. For this, we will need the Effect Composer add-on, available on GitHub, linked below. Let's start by downloading the Effect Composer add-on. Then open Blender to a new video editing scene. Install the add-on by going to Edit, Preferences, and select the Add-on tab. Click Install and locate the zip folder we just downloaded, and select it. From a file browser view, we should have a small arrow we can drag to the right. In this panel, we should see the Effect Composer available from our add-on. Next, let's select some videos we want to appear in the grid. Select them in the file browser, then press the button next to the Effect Composer. Then, below the list of selected videos, open the Choose Effect drop-down. Select the Video Grid option, and click Generate Effect. A pop-up window will appear. You can specify which video should be the first in the grid. This is the video in the top left that will be zoomed into. To do this, select the video from the list and press the Set Target button. Below this is a drop-down to select the grid size. If the number of selected movies is not enough to fill the grid, the videos will be repeated to fill each position. You can also select the frame that the zoom in should start on and when it should stop. Once you are satisfied with the settings, press OK. Depending on how many videos you've selected, this may take a moment to load. Look at that! Together, we have created a grid zoom effect using the Effect Composer add-on. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Have a great day, and thank you for attending Class Outside.